Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your lashes. All you need is your dirty lashes. I do 2 pair at a time, a mascara wand. You can just get this at like Sephora or Ulta. They have them like to sample the mascaras. An empty bowl. And I personally use Dawn dish soap, and this one is in pomegranate. Some hot water, and all you need to do is take your bowl, add your lashes in there. So like I said, I just do 2 at a time, that way they're not all crazy and I don't mix match them, even though sometimes you can tell which one's with which, but it's okay. So you add your hot water. Make sure you don't fill up the whole bowl, just enough to where the eyelashes just are under the water, they're submerged in there, that way they can soak. So with the soap, you don't have to pour a lot. It's just, I mean, I can't tell you like a tablespoon or something, but you just kind of put some in there. And all you need to do for this part is kind of make the soap, what's it called, bubble up. No, I was gonna say foamy. You just have to get it to bubble, that way you can, I guess, like activate the soap. And you let them in there. You let them soak in there for about 5 minutes. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, tweezers. So here, I'm about to tell you that you need some tweezers. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a paper towel, and you're going to pick just a random one. And you're going to flatten it out so that way you can brush the hairs. You want to be careful not to brush too hard, that way you don't ruin it. So you're just going to brush it until they kind of like fluff out, I guess. I think that's how you say it. And then you're going to take your tweezers and gently pull on the glue. So you have to be careful because obviously the lashes have their own glue, obviously to keep the hairs together. So you want to take your time with this part, just so you don't pull the actual lash glue from the lashes and you're just pulling off your falsies glue. I hope that made sense. Just because you can ruin the band like that, and you don't want that, because then there goes a pair of lashes, because you obviously can't just get one. So I am taking another pair of lash. So I went ahead and put the other one back in there to finish soaking off. I was having trouble with the glue, so you put that whole back in there. And I'm going to try to do this one. So right now I'm actually going like in brushing off the mascara. This pair did have mascara on there, and you can kind of see how they're kind of stuck together. And I'm just dipping the mascara wand into the soapy water to get it to come off, because waterproof mascara or mascara whatsoever sometimes can be kind of hard to take off lashes, just because either you take them off and you leave them in there for months or weeks or whatever, and you just don't clean them, which is a bad thing to do. So clean your lashes. I know I'm just kind of jumping everywhere, but so after you are done, I'm gonna put all of them back in there, after they're kind of semi-cleaned. I attempted with that first one with the glue, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna brush them out, take the mascara. As you can see, there's like little bits of mascara in there. And I decided to take the glue off at the end, have all of those lashes brushed, and then do the glue. So as you can see, the glue is just coming off really smoothly. You want it to be like that, because you guys have no idea how many pair of lashes I've ruined because I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush, and I'm grabbing the wrong glue, and I'm pulling off both glues at the same time. So you really have to be careful not to pull off the, sealant of the eyelashes. So you can see right there at the corner, it's the glue from the lashes, but that's okay. I'm just kind of going back and brushing them through just to get as much mascara off as I can. Okay, so in this part, I'm actually showing you guys how I fucked up my lash. I might have pulled really hard, and I don't know, for you lash people, you can see where I actually, oh, I'm about to show you. I pulled it off way too hard there, and the band did just come off a little bit in that area, and I obviously did that by poking it way too hard while I was taking the eyelash glue off, and it's gapped there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a gap there. Well, you can see how there's like one little piece of eyelash in there. So that's where I pulled it off way too hard. This is why I'm telling you guys to take your time. These are actually one of my favorite pairs of lashes. I'm still crying because I haven't been able to order it anymore, which I need to, by the way, but these, and I actually had planned to wear them this weekend. How sad, huh? But that's why you need to be careful, because you don't want to ruin them. So now I have to throw out that pair because obviously I can't just use one of them. But these lashes are all messed up because I was way too fast. I'm gonna show you the difference between them. You can tell so bad because these lashes are so full and fluffy. And they're just, I wouldn't be able to wear them just like that because the gap is pretty big compared to the bottom one. And these lashes are Dodo lashes in style D115. You can use code 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒 for some coins off on these pair of lashes. These are so bomb, so lightweight, and they're so fluffy. But that is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn that bell notification, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.